Welcome to Maine and say hello to the peaceful, spacious life you've been dreaming about. This beautifully updated farmhouse, sitting on 16 private acres, is full of warmth, character, and modern comfort. Whether you're looking for a homestead, a family retreat, or simply a quiet place to call your own, this property checks all the boxes. Let's start with the heart of the home. Step inside to find a bright, sun-filled sunroom, perfect for morning coffee, reading a book, or just watching the seasons change in peace. Right off that space, you'll find a private office area, making work from home feel effortless, quiet, and connected to nature. This home offers 4 renovated bedrooms, all spacious, comfortable, and equipped with blackout blinds for that perfect night's sleep. You'll also love the 2 cozy living rooms, ideal for movie nights, family gatherings, or just curling up by the stove on a cold Maine evening. And that's not all. There's an extra bonus room upstairs, perfect as a playroom, studio, or extra storage. Every inch of this home has been thoughtfully updated, with new insulation in the walls for better heating efficiency, helping you stay warm without breaking the bank. The garage door lifts have been installed too, making access easy, smooth, and safe. And speaking of the garage, it opens right into an extra-large entryway, where you'll find a walk-in pantry just steps from the kitchen. So whether you're storing groceries, garden goods, or holiday supplies, there's room for it all. Above the garage, you'll find fantastic storage space, ready to be used however you see fit. Now let's talk about the bathrooms. They're brand new, stylish, and feel like a spa. Clean tile, modern fixtures, and plenty of room to move. The kitchen? It's bright, functional, and comes with brand new appliances, ready to handle everything from Sunday breakfast to Thanksgiving dinner. The entire basement has been waterproofed and sealed, with a new concrete floor, a drainage system, sump pump, and a commercial-grade dehumidifier. Plus, new foundation pillars have been installed with a lifetime warranty. That's peace of mind you can count on. When it comes to heating, you've got options. Use oil, coal, pellets, or the wood stove. However you choose to keep cozy, this home makes it easy. Step outside and the beauty of the land welcomes you. In the backyard, you'll find Conant Brook, a gentle stream that brings wildlife, peace, and magic to your doorstep. Imagine sitting by the fire pit, watching the deer wander past, or letting the kids splash in the water on a hot summer day. The land is mostly open and usable, perfect for gardening, raising chickens, or just soaking in that quiet country life. And though it feels like you're miles away from everything, you're just minutes from Presque Isle, where you'll find stores, schools, doctors, and everything you need.